Good afternoon, Rutgers. I'm Erik Taylor from Weather Watcher with your April 10th forecast for today.
Thanks, Steve. Not really much going on across the local level except a few showers and storms around the D.C. area. But
weather headlines across the board right now in the hub city. Pleasant and comfortable conditions for the rest of the afternoon into the evening, so open up those windows and enjoy that spring air. Warnings out there right now, high wind warning in effect for sustained winds out of the south from 20 to 30 miles per hour. Cold temperatures up towards Oneonta, New York, who is still experiencing some lake effect snow at this time at 29 degrees.
Working its way into Key West in the cone of uncertainty, possibly into Tampa around the RNC convention.
Current radar out there, we see those showers and storms beginning to work their way into the picture across much of our eastern PA counties such as Bucks, Montgomery, and Lehigh County, but this will soon begin to slide into our area, especially around that rush hour and dinner time frame.
Looking ahead to that Christmas holiday, we do have that shot of snow, making it possibly a festive scene around here as Santa Claus approaches early morning on your Tuesday with some accumulating snow.
Otherwise, two areas of low pressure which will be of concern for your Thursday and Friday ahead.
A bitter start with those bitter wind chills, 27 to 31 degrees, making it quite uncomfortable with that wind out of the west from 15 to 20 miles per hour. Thanks, Steve. A damp and dreary day out there today, but those clouds are beginning to thin out, especially as we see in our live neighborhood network cam down in Rehoboth Beach, but the fog is beginning to build in for the rest of the overnight hours before we begin that gradual warming trend by the end of the weekend into the early half of next week. Live Mega Doppler 3 shows that rainfall beginning to exit off the Jersey Shore coastline. Otherwise, an area of showers and storms beginning to form across portions of Lancaster County as well as Cecil County, Maryland. So if you are out and about this evening, add that extra umbrella and jacket in hand just in case you run into one of these few showers or storms that are continuing to work their way through the region for the rest of the overnight hours. Rainfall amounts out there, a much needed rainfall thanks to those drier conditions of the past work week. 1.08 inches in Blackwood, New Jersey, Bridgeton at 0.99 inches, Allentown at 0.74 inches, and Atlantic City coming in at 0.4 of an inch of rain for today. Current temperatures across the board right now show where that gradient is. Temperatures in the low 60s, 61 in Dover, 61 in Wildwood, but cooler conditions to our north, especially north of the city. Philadelphia at 46 right now, Trenton 43. Mount Pocono, the chilly spot, as the Canadian air begins to work its way into the region at 38 degrees. As we widen on out, we see that cold air bottled up towards our north, Albany at 40, Scranton at 45, but warmer conditions to our south, which will work their way into the region for the latter half of the weekend into early next week, with Washington at 68 and Richmond a balmy 78 degrees. For tomorrow out there, we see temperatures in the 60s, making it quite seasonal out there. Breezy conditions with that west-northwest wind bringing in those cooler conditions. Otherwise, we will bring high pressure into the region for your Sunday, making it sunny and nice and comfortable out there with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s before we bring back in to the picture shorts and t-shirt weather for your Monday with temperatures around 70 degrees. If you're headed down to the Masters for the last 2 days of the tournament for Saturday and Sunday, sunny and nice and pleasant conditions on your Saturday with temperatures near 80 degrees. And for the end of the tournament, mostly sunny conditions, maybe a stray shower with temperatures around 80 degrees down in Augusta, Georgia for the rest of that Masters tournament. Otherwise, in our neck of the woods, overnight tonight, 42 to 46 degrees, a stray shower early, clearing otherwise late. Patchy fog will build in overnight with that wind out of the north from 5 to 10 miles per hour, giving us a bit of chill out there. Otherwise, a cold start tomorrow morning, so add that extra jacket in hand. A foggy start as well, mostly sunny and breezy out there, 59 to 62 degrees, with that west wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. As I step out for your extended trend, we see those seasonal conditions for your Saturday and Sunday before we begin that gradual warming trend into the 70s, where you can break out those shorts and t-shirt once again for that summer-like feel, especially around Tuesday at 75 degrees, before the April showers return for your Friday with much more seasonal conditions and temperatures around 62 degrees. Back to you guys in the studio.